Hello everyone. So if you want to share your screen on Telegram during video calls, here's how to do that. It works both for Android and iOS, so we're all good. Let's open up a Telegram. And now choose the desired contact which you want to call, because some people simply have turned off this option to call them, so make sure that the other person has this option. Now let's tap on the video call and wait until the second person will accept this call. There we are. Let me turn off the micro so there won't be too much of noise. Great. Now we see this bottom line. So we see stop video, flip, unmute, and end call. How do we switch for the screen recording? So press stop video. Now tap on video again and simply choose phone screen at the bottom. Now press share video. Choose what you want to capture. So is it gotta be single app or is it gotta be an entire screen? So press start, and basically that's it. Now you're transmitting the entire screen to the second person. And basically that's how it works on one-by-one conversations. Let's finish off with this call. If you want to perform that in some kind of group chat, it's done pretty much the same. So here is your group chat, right? Tap on your group chat name, then press video chat, press start video chat, or you can schedule it if you want to. I'll press start. Here, simply tap on the camera, choose foreign screen, press share video, once again, entire screen or single app, press start. Basically, that's it. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.